What's up, curl friends and fellow product junkies? Welcome back to the channel. It's Elaina and I'm back with another unbagging of an Ipsy bag. Y'all, my late previous month unbagging. Yeah, let's get into this video.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia?
So hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing well today. Those of you that are new here or may have just stumbled across my channel, my name is Elaina and I do natural hair product reviews and recently started a makeup subscription with Ipsy, and so I'm sharing what I get in my Ipsy bags just a little bit after the month that it came in, because it comes like the last week of the month. So like this was my May bag and this is now June. So I'm going to be sharing what I got in my bag today, and if you're interested, go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you like stuff like that. I also have started a garden recently and I'm sharing my gardening adventures with you all here on the channel as well. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button, notification bell, and all that good stuff, so you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. All right, you guys, in this May Ipsy bag, let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got. It's a really cute pink bag. It's got roses on it, I guess for spring and like Mother's Day. So nice. And then the little tag this time just says Ipsy. So yeah. All right, so hopefully we're not all tubes this time. But the first thing I'm pulling out is a tube, and it is Aromatica Reviving Rose Infusion Cream Cleanser. And that's what that looks like. And I find that I'm getting a cleanser every time. Like every month I'm getting a new cleanser. So I may have to switch up my profile just a little bit to see if I can get something different, you know? Because I want to have too many cleansers in my arsenal, and I've already have like 3 from, you know, each bag. But anyway, we'll try it. The next one is another little tube, and this is Bye Bye Puffy Eyes. It's a cooling eye balm by Glow On Fifth Beauty. That's pretty tiny, so I don't know if you can see that. But now, I don't tend to get puffy eyes, but I do have the dark circles under my eyes. So, I don't know. I'll try this out, but maybe like if I have to go out somewhere in the morning, first thing in the morning, and you know how your face is still kind of puffy and swollen from waking up. If I have to go out, I'll use it then. All right, the next thing we have is this Smooth Plus Blur Primer, and it's in translucent, and this is by Basic Beauty. And this is a blurring clear primer gel that smooths skin and pores, leaving you with the perfect bare base for a flawless beauty application. Directions say to smooth a thin layer over moisturized, clean skin. Let the primer set for 10 to 15 seconds. Wear it alone or under makeup. Okay. We'll try it. Next up, we have, what is this? Sunscreen. Yay! So we have Self Reflect Probiotic Moisturizing Sunscreen with Zinc Oxide Broad Spectrum SPF 32. Screen time all the time. It's clean, vegan, cruelty-free, and dermatologist tested. Kinship. Right on time, because I needed some SPF moisturizer for my face. I have been using the Cetaphil moisturizing lotion on my face, but it doesn't have any SPF, and I'm already browning down here from being out in my garden like all morning, so I definitely need an SPF when I go out. So thankful that I have that. I do have another one that I purchased from a previous haul. I'll go ahead and link it up here so y'all can check it out if you haven't. But yeah, so now I have 2 things with SPF in it, and I just recently saw something in the coupons. Like, I'm a couponer too on the low. Yeah, I just found a coupon for something that also had SPF in it, and so I'm excited to go pick that up. So when I find it. Next thing we have here is this Saint Lux, and I have no idea what this is. Lip liner in the color Vino or Moscato. It has both Vino and Moscato, and it's called Saint Lux. So let's see what this looks like. This is my first, like, oh, there's two in there. Oh, it's two colors. That's why. So there's Vino and Moscato in this package. So we got two. And let me see if I can turn them the right way for y'all. Let's get this together, Elaina. All right, we have Vino and Moscato. So let me swatch y'all. I guess this is my first swatch. Let me swatch them for you guys. Ooh, look at that tip. Can y'all see that tip? Nice. Oh, that is very smooth, satiny, very. Yes. And that's very nude. Oh, I might really like that one. All right, so we have Moscato on the bottom. And then Vino on the top. Okay. Y'all see that? Very light that Moscato. I really like that. I like natural tones. Like when I want to go bold, I'll go bold, but I like natural tones for like everyday type wear. So that's cool. That's right up my alley. All right, and the last thing I got is another refreshment, you guys. So I didn't realize that I had signed up when I got that razor, that I had signed up for like a monthly new razor or whatever, and so they're charging me like $5 or something like that for an extra razor every month. I canceled that. I don't need that. I haven't even opened the razor up yet to use it because I have other razors. So you know, hopefully on my next time I need to use the razor, I will open it up and I'll use it then, and then I have a spare, I have a backup, and so I won't be needing another one for a little hot minute. So I went ahead and canceled that jazz. But as far as everything else, I'm definitely very pleased. Even though we have like 4 of the products were in tubes this time. But that's okay. That's okay. They're different products. I'm excited to try all this stuff. I have used a couple of the cleansers from the previous bags, and maybe I'll do a review on them, or maybe I'll do like a face care video or something like that. If someone's already asked me to do a skincare video, y'all, my skincare is like very minimal. So I mean, I'll try to put something together, but if you are interested in seeing like me use one of these cleansers from the Ipsy bags, go ahead and check out, you know, a couple of the Ipsy videos, the 2 that I have up. I'll link them up here for you guys. Go check them out. You can see what I got and let me know like which cleanser you would want to see me use in, I guess, a self-care video. Or if you don't even care, you just want to see a self-care video with whatever I choose. I don't know. Let me know in the comment section down below. But you know, I almost forgot to show y'all this. This is the card. This is the card for this month. Flower Power. Okay, and We Love Moms. They're having a giveaway, or they've had a giveaway. Let's see. I don't see a date or anything on here. Oh yeah, 5/31. Duh. Like, I got this that week. There was no way I was going to be able to do that. So anyway, as y'all know, the little pamphlet just kind of goes over what's in your bag for the month. And yeah, we just kind of went over all that. So we're good to go. So yeah. So check out Ipsy if you haven't. I'll leave the link in the description box below. And yeah. Anyway, I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It's right down here, the little red button, and hit the notification bell. And if you enjoyed this video and are enjoying my other videos as well, go ahead and hit the like button for me. It really helps me out. It helps other curl friends find me, and other friends, period, find me here on YouTube. It lets the algorithm know that you guys are enjoying my content. So do me a favor and hit that like button, and I will see you guys in my next upload. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, y'all.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa.